Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Katie, Echevarria Rosen Kitchens, and I am here to tell you how I curated this. So I am one of the co-founders of FabFitFun, and if you don't know us, our mission is to deliver happiness and well-being to everyone, everywhere. And I'm really excited because today we're gonna go through the fall box. I'm gonna tell you about all of the amazing contents and all of the goodies inside. And so one of the ways that we're incredibly different from some of the other guys out there is that our boxes are customized. They're completely personalized to who you are, your personality, your likes, your dislikes, and there's one of two ways of doing it. Either you can actually pick the products that you love the most, or we can pick for you based on your profile. But today we're gonna go through some of my favorite choices. So first up, in our hero choice, we have this amazing, huge travel yoga mat from Anthropologie. Yes, Anthro is a brand that you know and love. They are known for their adorable prints and designs, and this is our yoga mat. Whether you're just going to the gym or if you want to take it on any of your travels, throw it into your suitcase, you are good to go. All right, so next up in the choice, we have this fantastic straightener from Amika. So Amika is a huge hair brand. They are so well known for their heating tools. Obviously it's a straightener, so if you have curly hair, wavy hair, frizzy hair, it smooths, it straightens, but it can also be used to give you those big beachy waves and curls, and it becomes so in style. But what's really cool is that this tool alone is worth $80. So if you go to Amika right now, you're gonna pay 80 bucks. Here, you're paying $49.99 for the entire box. So next up in the choice, we have this super soft plaid scarf from Plush. It's oversized and it's super cozy. It has this really beautiful fringe. And again, it's valued at $75. You're paying $49.99 for the box. So this really is a hero-worthy choice. And for the first time ever, we have a hero mystery choice. So if you can't decide or you just want to be surprised, check mystery and you'll get something completely different but equally as exciting. So now we have another hero choice because we just want to give you guys all of the love. So first up in that choice, all right, obviously it's back to school time. I'm not personally going back to school. I wish I had summer break off, but you know what makes me just as happy as summer break? This adorable Kate Spade tote. I mean, come on, Kate Spade. We know that's actually a brand our members have been asking for the past 5 years. So we're super stoked to be bringing you guys this lunchbox. It's really cute. It says out to lunch, and it's perfect for the office, a picnic, just storing all of your goodies. Next up, this is a really innovative item. I'm not sure if you guys have actually heard of these before. So these are detox pads from Dr. Nassif. So what is a detox pad? Well, we go out into the world, there's pollution, there's dirt, and there's just grime that gets all over your face. This is your solution. They're super fun. You use them after you wash your face, and it removes all of the impurities and just really grossness of the day to leave your skin feeling fresh, revived, and beautiful. Next up, this is another member request. We've been asked for a wallet for so many seasons, so excited to bring it to you guys. This is from Cut from the Cloth, an amazing fashion brand. It costs $60, again, more than the box itself. But what I love about it is all of the pockets inside. I am not an organized person by any means, and this helps keep everything you need in check. You can throw it in your tote, throw it in your purse. Next up, we have this adorable cheese board from Twine. Look how cute this is, guys. So you can put all of your cheese and your crackers. It comes with this little knife and this little serving fork. I'm obsessed. I like anything that makes a party cuter, and this is adorable. All right, we have another great choice for you. You guys know that I am obsessed with masking alongside many of my friends in the FabFitFun community known as Maskapalooza. This is from the Better Skin Company. It's a lava magic mask. And it's infused with really nourishing ingredients that's going to make your skin look great. But what's cool, you also know I love a multitasking tool. And it's not just a mask, it's also a cleanser, an exfoliator, all in one, triple threat, just like myself. I'm not sure what my other talents are, but this guy is amazing. All right, so next up in the choice, we have these really adorable ear curlers from Baublebar. You guys know the brand, you know, they are a fashion favorite, but I love these because they have just sort of the perfect amount of sparkle. You know, curlers are still kind of a new thing. You can wear them up or down depending on your fancy. Now, last but not least in the choice, this is another really innovative ingredient. This is Pure C from Cosmedix. All right, well, what does that mean? It's a vitamin C powder. And the reason why it's in this powder form is that it actually keeps the ingredient fresh and vibrant so that it's actually more effective when you put it on your skin. And you can mix it with a serum, you can mix it with your moisturizer, and it's really fantastic. It brightens, leaving your skin radiant. Can you believe it? We're not even done yet. We have another choice. One of the things that you may not know about me unless you are a close friend is that I have a really weird salt obsession. But hang on, let me tell you something. People who like salt, their study shows, they are super tasters. It means that we actually taste more than other people. I don't know what it means, but look it up. I swear it's true. But it's part of the reason why I love this like very cute salt and pepper grinder from Eparé. You put the salt on top, you put the pepper on the bottom. It's freshly ground. It's gonna look good on your kitchen table, and it's gonna make all of your fall dishes pop even more. Next up, we have a hair towel from Afterspa. Not only is it super cute and pink and you're gonna wanna put it on after you shower, but it's two things. One, it's really easy to help you tie up your hair after your shower, so it makes your hair dry faster and it keeps out the frizz. How incredible is that? Next up, we have another brand member favorite. So this is Skinvolve. You guys have seen them in add-ons if you're already a FabFitFun shopper, and it's their Body Boost Gel, and it's infused with tea and menthol, so it really livens up the skin. It makes your body look fantastic and feel great. It also smells really good. Last but not least in this choice, we have this incredible set from trèStiQue. Again, you guys have seen the brand. They're everywhere. They're a huge beauty brand. And what I love is that they're actually 4 different items inside this kit. You get a mini eye pencil, you get a mini shadow crayon in coffee, you get a mini shadow crayon in sort of this pinky pearl iridescent kind of color, and then a mini brow pencil in brown. So literally everything you need to make your eyes pop, and I love it. They're 4 little pencils and they're fantastic. Last choice, we have this Deep Relax Roller Ball from Aromatherapy and Associates. They are a UK-based brand. You guys should know, not only do we just look at our backyard, no, we scour the globe for the best products every season, and this guy is great. It smells fantastic. You roll it on, you breathe it in. I promise you, you're gonna feel instantly relaxed, de-stressed. God knows we could all use a little bit more of that in our lives. Next up, we have this Truffle Therapy Toner from SKIN&CO. As you guys may have heard, you know, mushrooms have become the it ingredient of 2019. You know, everything from food to beauty to wellness, they become sort of in everything. But truffles are like the superhero of mushrooms, and they are a huge ingredient in the toner, and it's a great part of your skincare routine. Use it after you cleanse, before you moisturize, you know, to remove any lasting impurities and give you this like really beautiful glow. Last but not least, you gotta have eye masks. This is from one of my favorite brands, Wander Beauty. These guys are so perfect for travel. Literally, you can take them on the airplane after you board, put them on, relax, watch a movie. When you get off the airplane, you're gonna look like a superstar. But you don't have to use them on the airplane. You can use them in the bath. You can use them while watching TV. You know, they're great for depuffing your eyes. I personally have realized that these wrinkles are not going away, but this is a huge help. Now we're gonna get to the products that are gonna go into every single box. So these are your guarantees. First up, we have the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair from Aveda. Obviously a huge hair brand. Everybody knows them. When I featured Aveda on my Instagram in one of my this or that's, they were sort of a knockout punch. You guys wanted it, so we are delivering. It does wonders for your hair. It really helps with split ends. It helps with frizzing. What's great, it's for every single hair type. So whether you have fine hair, thick hair, curly hair, straight hair, this guy is going to make a huge difference. We always want to put the fun into FabFitFun, and I think this has to be one of the most fun beauty products I've seen in a really long time. So this is from Harper and Eparé. What are they? Well, they're sugar cube scrubs, of course, right? And they're in a juice cleanse, right? So like green juices that you're getting at the bar. They smell insanely delicious, but you take them into the bath with you and you can use them to exfoliate. They're gonna melt. They're gonna leave your skin looking soft, slough off all of the dead skin cells. And I promise, if nothing else, you are going to love just the scent. It's amazing. They really are one of my favorites in this box. Last but not least, it's fall, the weather is getting dry, you need to moisturize. So we have this huge body souffle from Human and Kind. It's there to keep your skin super moisturized. It goes on really easy, feels great, smells great, and it's gonna last you, I guarantee, till 2020. You're gonna love it. In addition to all of these products, we also partner with a nonprofit every season. And this year we actually have 2 exciting partnerships. We've partnered with the gorgeous Meghan Trainor. You may know her from her numerous hit songs on the radio, but she's actually helped us pick the nonprofit. We're going with the City of Hope. They are an amazing organization that is helping to find a cure for cancer, and we could not be more thrilled to help spread their mission. So that's it, guys. These are all of the products that you can get inside your fall box. And of course, if you're not already a member and you loved all of the products that you saw today, make sure to sign up. It's right over there. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me, what are your favorites? What are you guys gonna pick this season? All right, well, that's it. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, see you in winter.